Welcome to the Gage Cloud Voice Educational Series. Knowing how to use your phone and all the available services will help you get the most out of your system. We will cover the various features of your phone and their operation. So let's get started. Your personal CommPortal is a web-based application giving you access to your personal phone settings anywhere you have web access. To get to your CommPortal, open a web browser and go to portal.gage.cloud. Use the direct phone number associated with your account and your password. The default password can be found on your user guide. If you need assistance logging in, please let us know and we'll be glad to help. The first time you log in, you will be asked to enter your email address. This will be used for any security updates or password recovery. We also recommend changing your password from the default. At the bottom of the screen, under the Security heading, click the link to change password. A dialog will open where you will enter your current password and then enter and confirm your new password. Once it is changed, you will use this new password when logging into your CommPortal. If you use other applications, such as the Accession mobile app, you will use these same credentials. Now that you're logged in, let's look at what you can do. On the home screen, you can set your availability, enable or disable Do Not Disturb, forward your calls, or change where your calls are forwarded if you don't answer or you are busy. The Advanced Settings section gives you even more flexibility on how you handle your incoming calls. You can forward or even reject calls altogether based on a specific caller ID. This is especially helpful for unwanted spam calls. You can apply a distinctive ringtone to a specified list of callers, allowing you to know who's calling by the ringtone. The Forward When Unavailable feature will send calls to a destination if your phone would happen to lose connection to our server. If there is a power outage or you lose internet access, your calls will be automatically routed to this destination, such as your cell phone, and returned to your desk phone when the service is restored. The Anonymous Callers option allows you to accept or reject calls from callers that do not send their caller ID. Be sure to click the Apply button if you make any changes. The buttons in the Your Services section will bring you to the settings for the individual services on your account. Depending on what services are configured, your buttons may look different. The Groups button will bring up a list of all of the call groups that you are a member of. You will see all the other members of the group, and if you're allowed, you can log in and out of the group to take calls or not as part of the group. The Call Settings button will bring up even more options on how to handle your incoming and outgoing calls. Most of the options here would be used in very specific applications. If you are looking to have your incoming calls handled a certain way, please call us so we can be sure we set things up correctly. The Message Settings button will bring up the options for your voicemail box. You can enable the option to forward messages as emails. Add your email address to the list, and your voicemail messages will be delivered to your email as a WAV file attachment. You can add up to 5 email addresses if you would like your messages to go to other emails. If you enable the Leave Original in Inbox option, your messages will be sent to your email but remain in your voicemail inbox and would need to be checked separately. Disabling this option will send messages to your email only and will not notify your phone or applications of new messages. The Include Action Links in Emails option is used in conjunction with the Leave Original in Inbox option. Enabling it will add additional links in the email, allowing you to delete the message, mark it as heard, or to access your voicemail account. The Mailbox Access section changes how you log in from your desk phone. With the Skip PIN option enabled, when you access your voicemail from your desk phone, it will not prompt you for a PIN. Accessing your voicemail from anywhere else will still require you to enter your PIN. Go ahead and leave Fast Login enabled. Disabling it will require you to enter your phone number every time you access your voicemail. Enabling the autoplay voicemail option will begin to play new messages immediately when you log into your voicemail. You may also choose whether the message playback includes the details of the message or just the message itself. The voicemail greeting section allows you to easily change which greeting plays to callers when they reach your voicemail. If you have a greeting file pre-recorded as a WAV file, you can also upload the greetings within this section. Be sure to click Apply whenever you are finished making changes. Now let's scroll back to the top. The Messages and Calls section will give you access to your voicemail messages and your call history. If you have messages in your voicemail, they will be displayed in the Messages tab. You will see the caller ID and the time and date stamp for the message. Press the play button next to the message to play the message within your browser. The Actions pull-down will give you options to reply, mark the message as new or heard, or forward the voicemail. The reply feature will only work for messages left by other internal users. The Forward as Email option will bring up a dialog box for you to enter where you want to send the voicemail. Add the destination email address and include a message if you wish. The recipient will receive a copy of the message as a WAV file attachment. The Forward as Voicemail option will forward the message to another internal user. Choose who you would like to forward the message to and click Send. The message will now appear in that user's voicemail box as a new message. To delete the message, click the trash can icon. The Missed, Dialed, and Received tabs will bring up a list of calls for each type of call. This is your caller ID history. Each record will have a time and date stamp associated with it. The Missed tab will also indicate if the caller left a voicemail message, and you can play the message from this screen as well. This icon indicates that a voicemail was left but has been deleted. The Deleted tab will bring up a list of all of your recently deleted voicemail messages. These messages will remain available for 14 days before being permanently deleted. You can play, restore, or permanently delete the message from this screen. In the Contacts section, you can add a new contact to your account. Click the New button and fill out the information for the new contact. Click Save when finished, and the new contact will be synchronized across all your devices. You may also add groups of contacts, or import or export your contact list. In the Speed Dial tab, you can program quick dial numbers to call phones using 1 or 2 digits. Select the speed dial number from the pull-down and enter the telephone number to dial. Click Add and then Apply. Your speed dial list will show up on the left, and the number in the speed dial column will be what you dial on your phone. In this case, dialing 2 from my phone and pressing Send will call the programmed number. The Extensions tab will show you all the users, their direct phone numbers, and the programmed extension number for them. This page is informational only. No changes can be made here. Finally, you can program available line keys on your phone. At the bottom of the screen, under Personal Details, click the Devices link and then click the Set Keys link in the pop-up. You will see your model phone appear in the new window that opens. Click the Edit button and you will see all the available options you can change. To program the buttons on the screen, expand the Programmable Keys Line Key section. Expand an available button and choose the soft key action from the list. Here, I will program an Enhanced Monitor Extension button. Enter the extension number for the user and include a label. This button will show me when this extension is on the phone and give me quick dial access to call this user. Other useful buttons you can program are Directed Pickup, Group Pickup, or Speed Dial. Be sure to fill out any fields that appear for each option. When you're finished, click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the screen. Any changes will be pushed to your phone automatically. We'd like to thank you for watching our video and for choosing Gage as your communications provider. We also invite you to watch our other videos for more information on the available features of your system. And visit us online at gagetelephone.com for even more resources. While you are there, be sure to sign up for the My Gage portal, which allows you to open and check the status of service orders, view and pay invoices, and many other useful features to get the most out of your Gage experience. If you need additional help, we're available 24/7. Feel free to call our office or email us at any time.